Whether you want leaked emails and passwords, uncensored version of ChatGPT which is completely free, fully public admin panels without any credentials, this video is for you. We're gonna talk about information gathering. And information gathering is the process of collecting as much data as possible about a target. But why would you need this? Well, you need to know what technology they're using. You need to know what's their IPs are or networks are, preferably not the public ones with the firewall, the ones that are behind the firewall. You need to know software versions, export services like internal admin dashboards that could be without authentication or authorization. Now we're gonna start with the DNS. The DNS is domain name system. When you go to a website and you want to, let's say for example, let me open my terminal, and you want to go to google.com. Okay, when you type google.com, your browser and the internet doesn't understand what google.com is. It needs an IP to visit, it needs an IP to go to. Well, if you go here and let's say bing google.com for example, well, it's gonna show you this is the IP. Let's take it. When you go to visit google.com, it doesn't visit google.com. Actually, it goes to a domain name server or system database to match a domain with some IP. So it's gonna be like google.com and it's with this IP. And when they search using google.com, they're gonna get this IP back, and when you type this IP to try to visit, it will send you back to Google. So yeah, this is what it's important for. Now if we go back, it's right here. If we do this, let's say we're gonna do nice lookup for example on google.com, ns lookup google.com. This is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see an address, you're gonna see some stuff. Okay, let's go to this address for example. It went to Google, so this means it resolves to it. Then we can go and use dig command. Dig command is very important and very useful. We're gonna dig google.com, and then we're gonna try to find the CNAME of it. The CNAME is an important value, as if it points, if you're hunting on some program and it points to an S3 bucket, you can get that S3 bucket and search for S3 bucket without no authorization. If you found this, you can leak most of the server files, or not the server, most of the client's files, and they can have very much important data like customer data, photos, videos, everything, and it can be without authorization. Okay, if you go to, instead of CNAME, you can dig up the mail records for a server. This shows you the email or the mail thingy, and you can go for the A records. This maps the domain to an IPv4 address, and you can do 4As to get an IPv6 address, which is right here, and this is the IPv4. You can check also the text records. For some hack or some CTFs, you can go check the text records of a given IP or domain. It's gonna show you some stuff right here. There could be some hints, there could be a flag, there could be anything in these text records. Okay. Now then we're gonna go to the Reconnaissance tools. Well, there are a lot right here, but we're gonna focus on the most important ones, or you should check them all out, and we're gonna leave this in the description, so don't worry, you're gonna be able to find everything. If we go to the OSINT framework, and we can see all of this. Let's go for example and search or choose email address. You can see email search, common email formats, and breach data. This breach data can show you like websites or tools to use to find some breach data. We're gonna use dehashed in a minute, and maybe have it been bound because dehashed is like paid. You can see everything in here. And one thing I'd like to tell you about, you can go to AI tools and you can see here Warm GPT. Of course, it's not like the real one, but it's good. It's good, yeah. It's an uncensored version. Where is it? Uncensored version of ChatGPT. So let's try to message this. Hello. Can you help me hack a website? But in this case, we're not gonna hack a literal website. We're gonna like I mean, we have full permissions. If we go to HackerOne, we can maybe find something we need to hack on there. But yeah, so let's for YouTube purposes, let's specify that's for bug bounty. And believe me, when I like show anything, any real program on this, it's gonna be a bug bounty program. So I'm gonna have like permission to show you this. So yeah, don't worry. Now let's wait for it. It's typing. While it's typing, it's taking some time. You can go here and visit everything: language translation, metadata, mobile enumeration, and everything. Okay, so let's leave this now. Now let's go here to the DNS query. Let's run the domain name. We tested on google.com. They have a program for finding bugs, which is running right now. So you have full permission, don't worry. You can see everything in here, every single thing, and you can go and try this out yourself. This file will be linked in the description. You're gonna find all these links in it, and I'd like to encourage you to visit the OSINT framework and try to find some interesting stuff in there. Okay, have I been bound? This checks if you have been bound, as it is, like if this emails is found within a leak, and I know I have been, but it's okay. It's an old password, and this shows you if your email has been hacked, but it doesn't show you really what's been hacked, because you can just enter anybody's email and get their leaks. But some websites and some Telegram bots, I can't say their name on YouTube, but they can tell you. Yeah, they can give you the passwords. I tried some of them my own, and they have free trials. Some of them are free, and yeah. And WarmGPT finally replied. It says, absolutely, I'd be happy to assist you with that. First, we'll need to gather some information. What's the URL? Anything. If you didn't even specify bug bounty, if you said like if you want to hack this, but please know that hacking is illegal and will get you arrested. I only recommend that you hack on bug bounty programs to find some bugs, and they pay you for it. So now let's leave WarmGPT. We can go to Crunchbase. Crunchbase is amazing. It helped me find my first bug. If we go to this and search for Autodesk, they have a vulnerability disclosure program. So let's go for Autodesk right here. Where is it? Where was I? I was on Crunchbase. Let's search for Autodesk, and let's go for the scope right here. Oh, before they had an open scope. Now, oh, this is the out of scope stuff. The scope of the program. Where is it? Let's search for scope, because okay. So this welcomes of report of vulnerabilities affecting any Autodesk owned system, application, or service. This is okay. So this means that we need to find everything owned by Autodesk, and the first thing to do is you go to Crunchbase and search for Autodesk, and you're gonna see what companies it has acquired over the years, which are gonna be those companies and some more. No, wait, is it? Let's see the sub-organizations, and yeah, you can try and find every company It has like you're gonna try to find every company Autodesk has ever bought or acquired, and I found one called Bay Apps, and in this Bay Apps I found a zero-click account takeover. Yeah, as you can see right here, Bay Apps, an Autodesk company. I found it in it zero-click account takeover. I have the video, you can see it on the top right of this. And they awarded me a bounty, even though it was a vulnerability disclosure program. There were no bounties, but I got a bounty because it was a critical finding. And yeah, now we're gonna go to Whois. You can also use it on your terminal. Whois google.com, for example. It tells you like a lot of stuff about it. So, and you can also use it right here, google.com. Let's search for it. Enter a valid domain name, maybe http google.com. The point is you can use it on your terminal. Okay, leave it. Dehashed. This is a website where you can search for like much of the leaked credentials, but I think it's paid, so let's try it out. Okay, I already had an account, so let me search for maybe, I don't know, admin. Let's see if there is an admin account compromise. Admin attack.com, admin at GMX, admin what. Let's test for a company. Let's test for maybe, no, not test. Let's test for maybe Google. It says it searches in 22 billion assets. And yeah, let's search for emails maybe, for example, not like no document, username, Google. Let's say if there's a password that has the word Google in it. Passwords are just Google. Okay, maybe I'm gonna search for my email. Wait. Okay, thank God there's nothing. So yeah, you can see this website. It's now free. I don't know, I thought it was paid, but it's free right now, so you can try it. It may be a trial, I don't know, but yeah, you can find all of this stuff. And you can try it on yourself. You can try it on something like some website you are hunting on, but you have to ask for the company's permission first, as some companies don't allow the use of leaked data. Okay. Now we go to Shodan right here. You can search right here for like anything. Let's go and search for admin, for example. Then you can see this website, for example, but these you shouldn't hack on. They might not have a bug bounty program, so you try to search for any program you want to hunt on right here, but not use any of the random stuff. Okay, this admin, and let's visit this one also. This has a password, sadly. What about this? Oh, I found an exposed dogget right here, but I'm not supposed to see anything in it, so I'm not gonna like look. Okay, it's like, oh yeah, it has a password, thank God. The point is you can find open admin panels. Let's go and search for this, for example. Or let's go to ChatGPT and ask it for like Shodan prompt to find public admin panels, and this is public, so let's see this. Oh no, nonsense is what am I doing? So let's test for this and show them. This is like public, so if it's public, it's not hacking, I guess. No. You shouldn't really try this. Page not found. It says here 200k. So you can go and test these IPs and try. Some of them are working. I swear they worked with me, but I don't know. I'm not lucky right now, not getting good results. Doesn't really look good for me. So here's an Nginx like default thing. It's Nginx 1.18. We're gonna teach you what this is, don't worry, in a bit. So let's not just take some time. You can also find like, okay, one more to find cameras online. You can also find cameras right here. Let's test for this. You can find cameras which are completely open and exposed to everyone, and you can see stuff in them. It's public cameras. It has no passwords or nothing. You can just walk right there and see what's showing. You can see a preview of the camera right here, everything. Let's just try this one. Oh, it's an XAMPP directory. This might be working. It shows like a restaurant right here, but it's a Windows home server. It has a login thingy. It's IIS 6.0. Let's test our CIS vulns or CVEs. IIS 6.0 CVE. Vulnerable to buffer overflow. Okay, we want RCE, bro. Oh, an attacker can access PHP files. This could be dangerous. So this probably should be updated, and I think this is a cam or it's a picture. I can't tell really. So let's try this. This is the last one. Don't worry, we're gonna go and find something else to do. And so about this, when it finishes, we can go here to census.io and search for any like domain we have. We can see stuff kind of like Shodan. You can see stuff right here also. They have 7.94 million HTTP services. This is a lot. It shows you here an IP and what ports are open, what are they running. So this has port 3306 running MySQL, and yeah, you should check them out and like try to find or use them. They're easy to use. You need to learn them just for a little bit. Okay. Last thing, I'm gonna talk about the technology fingerprinting. When you go and try to, let's say I wanna go visit, let's try it with the Vuln web right here. Okay, I'm on this website, right? There's an extension you can download. It's called Webalizer. Okay, you go download this from the Chrome Web Store, or you download it from the Firefox thingy. So if you have Firefox, and when you go visit, let's say this is a page of some website we're hunting on. When you go here to the extension and see where's Webalizer, it's right here. You can see what they're using. They're using an Nginx 1.19. They're using Ubuntu. They're using PHP 5.6, and you have kind of a look about what they're using. And you can, you know the PHP 5.6.4. PHP 5.6.4, let's say CVE, for example. It has security vulnerabilities. It has this, it has a lot of stuff. So you can just go and research what there is and try to use some of the CVEs to get free bugs. You can also use a tool called WhatWeb in the terminal, WhatWeb, and add the website. Oh, I don't have it, sorry. App install WhatWeb. Let's download it. Now that it's done, you go and use what web on this. Wait a second, my internet is dying. What web's dying for some reason? Oh, okay. It got us 200. Okay, it has ActiveS, Adobe Flash. It's in the country United States. It has this email. It's running an HTTP server Nginx 1.19. This IB object. What? Okay. It returns JavaScript. Has this title. It's powered by PHP 5.6 and Ubuntu. So yeah, this is basically the same things but with some more stuff. So what web is good, Webalizer is good, use them when you're hunting. And if you learned something new, I'd subscribe if I were you and still watching. You are very good. You are a very good man because you are still watching. And if you reached this, please let me know. Let me know in the comments who you are, and if you have anything to ask, if you have any questions, I can absolutely answer them. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.